For the cost-conscious traveler, the cheapest way to find a taxi is to actually leave the airport itself. We'd heard this many times on YouTube, but we were afraid we'd be unable to find the place to get these cheaper taxis. Well, it's really simple, you see. You just follow the flow of passengers outside and simply turn left. That's it. You turn left and keep walking. You'll see the pedestrian bridge before you reach the end of the building. If you leave the terminal and take the footbridge over the highway, you find a hive of buses and taxis that operate on a different tariff than those at the airport. Another option is choosing Uber. The app is not as efficient as the US, but is considered reliable in Puerto Vallarta. Ubers are not allowed to pick up at the airport directly, so you'll have to meet the driver on the other side of the highway by crossing the footbridge. During this trip, the Uber driver charged us less than half of the price cab drivers at the airport quoted us. So this is a reliable way to make your cost of cab fares cheaper.